All right, y'all, here with my man, Dre, Big Head, San Antonio for the Texas Barber Expo. I'll let him do some work. You guys know. Yeah, so we're going to set up the booth. We got a little 10x10 Texas Barber Expo. This is my first time here. Not doing any education or classes. We're just going to have the booth and just chop it up. But let's get the booth set up, and then I'll show you guys what this show is all about.
Do one like this, so that way you can see.
You the boss.
I'm not the boss.
You guys haven't even seen this yet. Hand me one of them clippers, man. Hand me one of them clippers.
This will be available next week.
Available next week. So guys, this goes in here. And it is, you know, you guys seen the magnetic mount. So you can put this in this spot on the mat. Fits perfectly. Put your clippers in the front. Obviously, you can have some charging. You can have some ready to go. All right, we set up for now. All the product. Dre doing the dance.
Can we,
Yeah. Boom. So we're gonna pop out. We will come back in a minute when the show starts and get to it. Yo, so this is what happens when you come to Texas without a brush.
Wave Enforcer plus dual sided.
Otherwise, look at this. Look at this texture right here. Look. Ooh. Get that thing to work, boy. Listen, y'all, man, it's hot in Texas, and of course, Dre makes us wear all black at these shows.
Black is better.
He makes us wear all black, and this gotta be like 90. Look at my hair blowing. That look good, boy.
Put that corner on with.
Hit me with that brush. It's hot. Oh yeah, there we go. Thank you.
Goofball.
All right, we off to the show, y'all. This is the venue, y'all. Kind of different than your traditional convention center. So,
my bad.
Bleep.
My bad. Sorry,
I just learned how to do the bleep on Premiere, so we're gonna test it out.
All right, cool. I can give you more if you need to practice.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because that's some bull.
All right, guys, the show is still not starting yet, but I'm gonna go ahead while it's quiet. You guys know they're gonna have a bunch of music on once we get going. I'm gonna go in while it's quiet and show you guys around a little bit. Thank you, sir. Oh, he tried to be nice. All right, this is just a little front lobby. I don't know what you gotta do to get a booth out here, but it's gonna be. This is y'all. Oh, for your Crockies?
The regular beaters are 5 or 10, and then the middle ones are 5
You don't even be wearing your rainbow Crocs anymore.
It's not for me, bro. It's for my son.
Oh, there's your brush right there, fool.
Is these Torinos or no?
Nah, these are my boots.
Oh, okay.
But it's made like the same thing.
I just bought. Yeah, I got you. I just bought one at Walmart because I forgot mine.
Should have waited.
You got Lakers one?
Yeah, I got you.
You got Lakers one. So I need a.
They got the Kobe joint. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let me get.
Need that. All right, y'all. So like I said, we just getting started. So we got like an hour and a half till the show starts. But I figured I'd take y'all around, kind of show you what's going on before, because you know it's gonna get loud in here and get the music going. So y'all see Wall. Rick that puts this on is with Wall, so I figured Wall would have a big booth. Got some sneakers over there, some artwork. You guys see the custom rugs. Y'all see them barbershop dunks, man. I'm still trying to decide if I need to grab some of these. They better hope they don't have my size. 12. Oh, come on now. Man, I've been back and forth. I got somebody already told me they could get them for me. I just can't decide if I need them or not, you know? Do you ever need any of them?
You know what I'm saying? You're so right.
I'll end up with them, I'm sure.
All right, brothers.
So you see a bunch of everything. Booksy booths. I'm sure they'll be signing people up. Giving away something when you sign up for Booksy, usually. Some brushes. Oh, these are tough.
What's up? Custom. We added the shaver.
Oh, okay. So some metal etching.
We don't have custom made already clippers, but check out the
Okay,
clipper.
but you'll be doing that too?
We do take orders. And,
oh, that's wild. That's hand done?
Yeah. That's all hand engraved.
That's insane.
So we're taking orders for that.
Obviously, any metal clippers, you can do it
metal,
too?
Scissors, razors, anything. We're going to take a scoop around, see what all we can
Yeah, for sure.
elaborate with.
That's dope.
Yeah,
that's some good work.
Stop by, man.
Will do. You the haircut dummy every week, aren't you? Every week. He not a dummy. I wasn't calling you a dummy, but y'all know the Fort Worth family. So you guys are doing the level 3 booth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your point you made on your live. Like,
I didn't know that people looked at it. We've already
yeah, well, I mean, I get it, man. You guys come down here as a supply, and there's another supply and another supply, then it turns into just a bad. Like, that makes sense. So, and you guys are so close with so many brands, like, you know, might as well. I mean, that's kind of what we're looking to do, too, is to start, like, where I would come with you and do a little tune booth. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Do that next time.
Yeah, for sure. So, yeah, so you guys see they got the whole level 3 stuff. I just switched to this one. I like the blue better, though.
Okay.
But you know I got to have the green stuff.
Yeah.
What's that? Are they patches? Velcro? I need one for my G&B. Listen, man, y'all know about my class coming up on August 8th. We're doing an after party at Fort Worth Barber Supply for their 1-year anniversary, and I just committed to getting a little loose. So if you guys come to the party at Fort Worth Barber Supply, you might see a new side of me you haven't seen. So y'all get in on that class. All right, so y'all can see a ton of different stuff. So we got some merch. There's Babyliss. I don't think it's a Babyliss booth. This is just a supplier. Yeah, Alamo Barber Supply. Kind of what we just talked about. So Fort Worth is doing level 3 booth just to not come out here and compete with some other barber supplies. So but you guys see most of the Babyliss stuff. Some more merch. Got some chains over there. Just some different stuff, guys. You never really know what you see at these shows. So this is my first time at the Texas one, and it looks pretty decent so far. Rhoda, I like the banners. So, some bright colors you guys see. They're definitely grabbing some attention. Maestros, some beard oil, the S&P booth. Proxima, you guys seen the Proxima blades, and they got some super good smelling aftershave. You know this guy's always at every show. I still got to find the ones for me, man. I'll be looking every show. I just don't know which ones they're gonna be. I like the clear. I like the. Those are tough though. Those kind of them. Those Iron Mans. What y'all think, man? Every show I come over here, look at some frames, put them back down. What y'all think? Let me know in here. Back corner over here. Some barber chairs. See the Johnny B booth. I don't know if my man Chino's here. Probably not. And we got some food back here. Another barber supply. And the Gamma booth they finishing setting up. You guys see all the stuff you know I mess with. The Rebel and the Boosted. You can see, man, all the goodies, man. You guys want to grab some stuff, these are the places to go. Illusion Capes, Babyliss, Masters, Gamma, there's on the wall. You guys can get pretty much anything that you want. And here's the tune booth, guys. So we got finished setting up. We'll get this booth all the way set up and together. And we're not going to be cutting at this show, so just going to be hanging out, talking to people. And I think I'm going to get my hair cut by my man Tank B Chopping. We will go find him in a minute and get to it. Dre's working hard, man. This show is crazy. Definitely a poppin' turnout. I wasn't really sure what to expect. It's been going crazy. We got the backdrop set up right here. Kind of cool. Usually it's behind us and we can't really do nothing in front of it, but kind of a nice little photo op backdrop. So just been hanging out, chopping it up with people, man. It's super cool to meet you guys in person. Definitely impressed with how many people are here that watch the channel, so I appreciate all you guys watching the channel. We're gonna do a little walk around here in a minute, but the booth has been popping, so we'll get out, walk around, check out the rest of the show in a second. I kind of showed you guys, but you need to see it with all these people in here. right, y'all, that's it. We're tearing down. Last category is going right now of the battle. It's a long day, guys. It's a 6-hour show. We got up here early, set up, went to lunch, came back, 6 hours. We're gonna pack up, tear all this stuff down, go back to the hotel for a little bit, go somewhere for dinner, I'm not really sure. But we'll see what we get into. I think we might go eat with our people from Fort Worth. That might be the end of the video, but we'll find out here in a little bit. All right, San Antonio, that is it. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna try to document all the shows that we go to, but we're loaded up. He's in the car. Guys, if you like the video, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. If you guys were here and I ran into you, I appreciate you guys watching. Dope to meet you guys here. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Guys, I got a bunch more events and classes coming up. I'm gonna document all of them, along with some tutorials and unboxings and reviews. You guys already know. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Catch you next time.